The OneBusAway Service Alerts web app is designed to allow transit agency staff and developers to quickly create structured service alerts about cancellation, detours, and other changes in transit service. While the app has a number of features, we'll be focusing on creating service alerts in this video. We start by selecting the Service Alerts view. Here, we see a list of both active and inactive service alerts. We also have the option of creating a new service alert. The new service alert screen has a number of fields for manipulating the new service alert. First, you can control the visibility of the service alert. An alert won't be published to the public in any form until you mark it as visible. This allows you to edit the alert to your satisfaction before making it public. Next are the summary and description fields, which allow you to enter textual descriptions of the new service alert. Additionally, you can specify reason codes that specify the exact cause of a particular service alert. Once you're satisfied with your service alert summary, you can save the details. In addition to textual summary, one of the key features of the Service Alerts web app is the ability to finally control which aspects of the transit network a particular service alert applies to. Basically, what does this service alert affect? For this specific alert, we wish to apply the alert to an entire transit agency, specifically King County Metro from the pop-up list. Now, our published service alert will be marked as affecting all King County Metro service. Once we are satisfied with the alert, we make it visible to publish the alert to the public, immediately publishing the alert to any listening systems using the SIRI protocol. In our case, the OneBusAway web app displays the service alert for all stop info pages. Once an alert has been read by a user, we still include it on a stop page, but not quite so prominently. Let's create a new service alert that applies to just a single stop. We'll create a new service alert, specifying the details of a stop that has moved due to construction. We set the summary and description per normal, and we'll also specify a reason code as well. Now we wish to mark the affected stop. We have a map-based UI for selecting stops in the system. We start by adding an affected stop to our alert. There's definitely work to be done to make the stop look up faster, but for now we zoom into the map to find our stop. Once we identify the proper stop, we mark it as affected by the alert. We verify that we have the proper stop, and then we mark our alert as visible. At this point, we jump back to OneBusAway, refresh the page, and see the details about our alert. Let's create a more complex alert that applies to a specific route and includes reroute information. Here we wish to describe a major construction detour. This time we wish to apply our service alert to a specific transit route. We wish to add an affected vehicle journey specifically. Our target route is Route 44. We also wish to pick specific stops affected along the route, known as calls. We'll pick just one stop for now. Once we've verified our stop, we want to add detour information. We add our detour using a consequence. We specify our consequence condition as diverted. And now we draw our diversion on the map. Once our diversion is saved, we mark our alert as visible to publish the alert. Switch to our OneBusAway view. We can now see that the Route 44 entries are marked with the alert. We click through for more details. And see the full alert with diversion information. Of course, all this service alert information is also available in our iPhone app as well.